Okay, it is Wednesday, October 13th. It is release day for Absolute Memorabilia, and we are at Ken's Cards in Berlin, Connecticut, doing a box break. Absolute, one of our favorite products of the year. Let's see how we do. 4 packs. 4 super premium packs. Okay, pack number 1. Hopefully we'll get some good stuff. Alright. And first pack starts out with a base card of Steve Smith. And followed with a Joe McKnight War Room rookie jersey, number 25, make that number 4 of 10, worn at the 522 NFL Players Rookie Premiere. Nice piece, and being that we're in Connecticut, it should be very popular around here. Alright, we'll leave that right over there. And let's see, we got a Corey Wooten rookie card for the Bears, 157 to 299. And Matthew Stafford. Okay, pretty nice looking base card, as they always are for Absolute. Pack number 2 here. And let's see what we got. 4 super premium hits. Okay, Devin Hester base card. Okay, look at that. Colt McCoy autograph triple memorabilia, and we are numbered 25 of 25, and that is an appropriate card to hit today because the Browns announced that McCoy will be the starting quarterback this weekend. So I am loving that card. Very nice. We'll leave that one propped up so you can see it. Okay, sweet hit. Alright, Brandon G, 245 of 299 rookie, and a Quan Bolden in a Ravens uniform. Still getting used to seeing that. Alright, pack number 3. Let's see what's the cutter. Alright, starting with a Randy Moss base card as a New England Patriot, which he no longer is. Alright, and followed up with a Ricky Sapp rookie. Ricky Sapp rookie card, Philadelphia Eagles, 269 to 299. Okay, nice hit. NFL Icons, LC Greenwood. That's number 32 of 50. I am old enough to remember LC Greenwood and a Ben Roethlisberger, so we got a couple Pittsburgh Steelers in that pack. Okay, pretty nice box so far. Let's see what we get in our 4th and final pack. Alright, we're starting with Matt Leinart. And we get another autograph, a Spectrum autograph, Everson Griffin, numbered 122 of 199, out of USC, 4th round pick, plays for the Minnesota Vikings. I hope. I'm not even sure if he's really on the team, to tell you the truth. NFL Icons, Fran Tarkenton, and Jamal Charles, running back for the Chiefs. And there we have it. There's our box break of Absolute Football released today. Definite king of the box is going to be the Colt McCoy triple relic autograph, numbered 25 of 25, and all of a sudden this weekend I am rooting for the Browns.